Yes.
Yeah, so I'm Tomohiro from Zanmai factory. I'm the president of
Okay.
Yamato industry.
And you are here for Zanmai night.
Yes.
Today Tomo is visiting us and he asked me to sharpen Zanmai night for him. So today we will do the sharpening here in the process in the workshop in Rangelrooij. So let's do it. So first of all, the process is the kaitatoshi. This is the water wheel. This is how you call Mizuto.
Yeah.
Mizuto sharpening. Step 1. First checking. Like that. Finish. Hand finish. Don't be Super.
Yeah, nice.
Thank you. Yeah. So this is how we make. But then you get the very good finished product.
Yeah.
It's very thin, very smooth.
Thank you.
Well done.